You're here because you want a tablet that doesn't feel like a compromise. You're tired of the lag, the washed-out screen, the feeling you just bought a giant phone. /N/N, I've used every flagship tablet, and I'm telling you the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra is the one that finally replaces your laptop. /N/N, but here's what surprised me. It's not the screen or the pen that makes it unbeatable. It's something almost every review ignores. Therefore, if you're ready to see what a tablet can actually do, stick around. For the best price, click the link in the description. /N/N, okay, let's get physical. This thing is a monument to glass and aluminum. The 14.6-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display isn't just big, it's a portal. With a 120 Hz refresh rate and stunning brightness, HDR content looks unreal. But the first thing you'll notice isn't the beauty. It's the fact you're holding a TV. A really expensive feeling TV that somehow fits in your hands. Therefore, my first reason you need to try this. It's the single best screen ever put on a portable device. Period. /N/N, now you're thinking it's just a pretty face. And you'd be right if it was powered by a hamster wheel. But it's running the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 for Galaxy chip. This isn't a mobile processor playing dress-up. This is desktop-class power. I had Photoshop, a dozen Chrome tabs, and a YouTube video running, and the only thing that lagged was my ability to multitask. It's so fast, I think it finished this sentence before I wrote it. That's joke number 1, by the way. I'll try harder. /N/N, therefore, the power is there. But Samsung's software has been chaotic in the past, a messy kitchen with too many cooks. Here's the twist. This is where the magic happens. The S9 Ultra runs One UI 5.1.1 on top of Android 13, and it finally understands it's on a tablet. /N/N, let's open a curiosity loop. What's the one thing every laptop has that every tablet struggles with? Real multitasking. /N/N, the Tab S9 Ultra demolishes that struggle. You can run 3 apps split screen, plus 2 more in pop-up windows. I had Slack, my script document, a reference web page, Spotify, and my timer app all open. And it didn't stutter. It didn't complain. It just worked. This isn't tablet multitasking. This is PC multitasking with touchscreen convenience. Therefore, my second reason you need this. It's the ultimate productivity machine that doesn't make you hate using it. /N/N, but a great workspace needs great tools. Enter the S Pen. It comes in the box, charges wirelessly on the back, and has virtually no latency. Writing feels like writing on paper, not glass. It's a dream for notes or sketches. But here's the contrarian snapback. I'm not an artist. For me, the S Pen's killer feature is acting as a remote for presentations or as a precise tool for editing documents. It turns the tablet from a consumption device into a creation tool instantly. /N/N, now let's address the elephant in the room, the size. This is a massive device. It's like carrying a legal pad made of dreams and technology. You will need 2 hands. It will not fit in most bags comfortably. And this is a huge, but that size is the entire point. It's the canvas that makes everything else possible. Trying to do real work on an 11-inch screen feels cramped. This feels expansive. It's the difference between a studio apartment and a loft. /N/N, therefore, we have the screen, the power, the software. But I promised you a secret. The thing most reviews miss, it's the speakers. They tuned these things with AKG, and with the quad speakers set up in perfect stereo, whether you're in portrait or landscape, the sound is immersive. Watching a movie on this is a genuine cinematic experience. The screen pulls you in and the sound wraps around you. It's so good I stopped using my Bluetooth speaker. My cat, however, was less impressed when I played thunderstorm sounds at full volume. That's joke 2, she's fine. /N/, and all this power needs fuel. The battery life is confusingly good. With that massive, bright screen, you'd expect it to drain fast. But the efficient chipset and software optimization mean I consistently got through a full 8-hour workday with 20 to 30% to spare. We're talking constant use. Writing, research, video calls, media playback. It's a workhorse. Charging is decently quick with a 45W charger, but note, you have to buy that separately. A move so shameless, it's almost impressive. /n/n, but let's get to my third and final reason you need to try the Tab S9 Ultra. It's not a standalone device. It's the heart of an ecosystem. /n/n, if you have a Samsung phone, especially a newer Galaxy, the integration is seamless. Instant hotspot, call and text forwarding, and quick share make the devices feel like one. You can copy text on your phone and paste it on the tablet. It's witchcraft. And the kicker, Samsung DeX. /n/n with a tap, the entire interface transforms into a Windows-like desktop experience, complete with resizable windows, a taskbar, and a file explorer. Plug in a cheap USB-C hub, add a Bluetooth keyboard and mouse, and you have a legitimate desktop computer. I edited this very script on DeX. I managed spreadsheets. This isn't a party trick anymore. It's a full-fledged alternative to a traditional laptop for probably 80% of users. /n/n, therefore, the S9 Ultra isn't trying to be an iPad Pro. It's trying to be your computer, and for many, it will succeed. Is it perfect? Of course not. The camera is fine for video calls, but it's still a tablet camera, meaning you'll look like a ghostly figure in low light. The software, while vastly improved, still has the occasional quirk or app that hasn't been optimized for the giant screen. And the price? Oh, the price. This is a premium device with a premium tag. It's an investment. /n/n, here's the resolution to that tension, though. You're not just buying a tablet. You're buying a portable cinema, a digital notebook, a sketchpad, a productivity workstation, and a desktop computer. All in one slab. For the price of a high-end laptop, you get a device that can do everything that laptop can, plus all the things a laptop can't, like letting you comfortably read in bed or take notes directly on a PDF with a pen. /n/n, so the 3 reasons you need to try the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra. 1. The screen is an unparalleled window for both work and play. 2. The software and power finally deliver a true laptop-replacing experience without the compromises. And 3. Its ecosystem and DeX mode make it the most versatile single device you can own. It's the Swiss Army knife of tech, if the Swiss Army knife also had a 4K OLED screen. Joke 3. /n/n, I've used it for weeks. The initial shock of the size fades, replaced by awe at what you can do. It makes other tablets feel like toys. The only problem, now when I use my laptop, I keep trying to touch the screen. It's a tragicomic dance of forgotten inputs, and that's joke 4. I told you I'd try harder. /n/n, if you're a creator, a student drowning in digital notes, a professional who needs a portable command center, or just someone who wants the absolute best media consumption device on the planet, you owe it to yourself to try this. It changes what you think a tablet can be. Therefore, stop compromising. Check it out for yourself. For the absolute best price on the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra on Amazon, click the link in the description below.